explore a little bit around Sugarland with this driving POV too. So this area looks like it's the city. Altered is that big here? This is like their town center, I guess. How far is San Antonio? The guy wants us to go look. This looks pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
It has like a lag. I feel like I'm gonna break this car.
Oh, left.
Oh yeah, it is left. Why is it doing that?
You have it in standard.
No, I don't, baby.
That's what it sounds like.
It does, but I don't.
Alright, from here you're gonna go left at this lane.
Left at this light? Okay. Cameras and stuff are in the back, but it's okay. Can I just put them in your bag, if that's fine?
Yeah.
Put this in your bag, baby. Thank you, babies. I'll put my hat here, because my hair's gonna be messed up. And then my beautiful camera for the vlog. Here. Oh, gosh. Auto hold. This car does have auto hold. Guys, honestly, I love this car. I have the maps on. He gave me his address.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got it. It's okay. Honey buns. The camera, if it scratches, I'll return it. It's returnable.
No, I'm fine. It's good.
Just put it like
Bubba,
this.
It's good. It's
You're
good.
look at this driver.
I'll tell you.
Wow, this is amazing.
It's good.
Wow. Texas drivers are worse than Florida, huh? Yes, let's just park horizontally.
Florida's is pretty bad.
No, this is pretty bad. This is atrocious. This is pretty atrocious. Pretty damn atrocious. It's not that loud. It really is not that loud for how, like, you know what it is, but I think now I'm good. Now I'm not on standard. When these two lights are light up. What is M mode? Am I what? What do you
I
mean?
think you were right just when the middle one is on.
No, are you sure?
I don't know.
I don't know, because that one wasn't working. It wasn't. How do I do M mode? M mode. I have to play around with this pretty good. I don't care, it's whatever. I'm learning the car. Look at this. I told you, Texas drivers are horrible. Florida driver in Texas, guys. There's a cop behind me. There's no way, bro. I'm about to get pulled over. There's a cop right behind me. Oh my god. I need my radar.
Slow down.
And I'm going to speed limit. Ah, he's passing me, thank god. Can you? Oh, he's right behind me. Oh, he left. Oh, thank god. Oh my god. Yo, that's scary as shit. Honey, can you look up a Best Buy, please? I'll return the...
Just get to where we're getting and then I'll look it up, I promise.
Okay. This truck is about to go. Look at this. What is he doing? If I did not know people, Florida trained me well. Pulls out right. What the? What the? There's a Best Buy right there.
Okay.
Why is everything like no sign?
Yeah.
What the hell? No way, bro. There's a Best Buy right there. That was a scare for sure. at this. Holy shit. People are so fucking bad at driving. Past this light and then a right, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm gonna overtake this guy and get there. I think that's so weird. Don't you think that's so weird? I think it's like a city code, a color code or something. You know? This is why I didn't want you to drive this car.
I can drive any car.
What a nice Benz Omar has.
Very nice.
We could just take that car. Get rid of your Acura and just move in with them and take this car, you know? She's old. Well, I don't know why this is allowed, but whatever. So we gave her the option, so she could sue herself. Yeah, I mean, whatever. I gotta take a picture of this and send it to Georgia. I texted him saying no way. I mean, hey, all you can do is offer. You can lead a horse to the water, but you can't force them to drink it.
Yeah, that's fine.
I like this car a lot. Whatever. No, they need to like. They need to understand their age. They don't think they're their age, I think.
I know.
I don't think they want to be their age, you know?
You tell me the same thing 3 times.
What? Wait, what? Attention to everything and see where everything is. I mean, everything's the same color, which is weird, but...
How nice and green everything is.
It does look nice, huh? Wow. Maybe we should move here. If you want.
Why don't we look for apartments here?
I mean, we
It could
can.
be like 1,200-1,300 bucks.
Look up, go to apartments.com and look.
In Sugarland though?
Yeah. That's where you want to live. You don't want to live in dirty Houston or anything. This is a nice area. Really?
1 bed, 1 bath.
Oh, it's a 1-bedroom.
Like the water view.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a 2 bed.
No, we can do a 1-bedroom. See how much a 2 is, though. We can hit them up. I took some very cute pictures of you and Hannah. Look, I mean, yeah. All right, let's sign it up. Let's go check it out. Book a tour for tomorrow if they're open. And screenshot the place so I don't forget it.
Okay.
We'll go check it out.
Yeah.
And make the move. At least, if we're gonna pay rent, at least let it be like $12,000 a year.
Oh gosh. I just want to highway.
And this, guys.
Okay. It's okay.
No, she doesn't have to go on the highway, does she?
Yes, we're on the highway. Aren't we?
Yeah. Honey, you screenshotted the apartment?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we can move here. Why not? Yune. I like this area better than Florida. It's safer too. Oh no, it's not safer, but I don't know. Just better. going too slow. They can drive. Look at them. They still have the Tristan on. I can't believe Dudley's forgetting stuff, man. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's really sad, huh?
Yeah, maybe.
They live here, hon. Like, they live right around here. I mean, if she's driving, she should have not did that. I don't know why she didn't just let you drive.
Look at her.
Wave.
She's right here.
Oh. No. I don't think she notices the cameraman. Nice car.
Very cute. I'm gonna make a couple tours for us at these Sugarland apartments, okay?
Okay. Good job. Sorry guys, we're going very slow for my grandma. We want to make sure she gets to her house good, of course, but I don't know. You can also get a house here if you really want one. Like, this house is nice houses there, you know? Speed limit is 55. Oh, so she lives by McDonald's and it's kind of deserted here, huh? Georgia definitely lives in the better area, no? Well, this isn't bad. The corn dogs are not sitting well. Those corn dogs are really not good.
Gonna cut that part out?
Nah, the corn dogs, I mean, they're good. They taste good. But for my health and my stomach, they're not good. They hurt my stomach.
Like shit, when you take something healthy like
Seriously, we've gained like 3,000 calories.
no, I cannot.
Look at this guy in an R7, R1. No, and we have been eating really bad.
No,
We need to say no to like certain things, you know?
I need to eat just salad. I'm so over it.
And like, it's gonna be so hard to burn this fat that we gained. That's why I was like, so you see Kroger? Kroger is like Publix for Texas.
Oh.
Well, I mean, it's not. There's a Dutch and Bros.
Oh wow.
Dutch Bros right in front of their house. It's crazy. Starbucks? You see Starbucks? There's no sign.
Me and Starbucks haven't been getting along.
Oh, true.
Oh, they got a one-bedroom
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. My aunt lives around here, I believe.
here. Oh, careful. Fucking dumbass
What's she doing, man?
Remember what the guy said? They dropped us off?
Oh, yeah.
The driver's here.
Crazy. This is why I like the honk. Honey, can I please get this car? I know we're married and our financial decisions are really together and all that good stuff, but can I please get this M3 Comp?
No, you have lyric for 2 years. You're stuck.
When it's up, can I get this?
Maybe when it's up. We'll see how.
Oh, but I'm gonna be
You gotta get a
26.
raise, too.
I'm gonna be 26. I need to be older.
You gotta get a raise, baby. Such an uncomfortable car. I don't know why you call it.
It's not the car, it's the roads. In Florida, this would be like really comfortable.